So just 4 days to go for SLAT. How are we supposed to plan from here? Very easy. Break it down. So firstly, what you're supposed to do, the best thing that you can do right now is to watch the videos that we are doing for you on our YouTube, platform. Make sure that you're watching all the marathons that we are conducting for you, because that is the best tool for revision as well as to develop the competitive spirit as well. Make sure that you are not studying things which are absolutely new to you just a few days left before the exam. So don't do that, right? Make sure that you have a good amount of sleep, you are eating healthy, you are drinking lots of fluid. All these things are very important to have your gut healthy, have your body healthy, to be exam ready, just a few days before the exam. Keep a check on all of these. All the very best. My best wishes are there with you. Vijay Bhava.